Hey everybody, my name is McGill. I am the co-founder, CEO of Rize, and I got a really fun new feature we're releasing today for beta testing. It's the Rize MCP. So yeah, we've been building this, really excited to get this out. And in this video, I'm gonna walk through how you can connect Rize to the Rize MCP through Claude Desktop. I'll have a few other videos that I add shortly, which is connecting Rize through ChatGPT and connecting Rize through Claude Code. Now, what is this going to enable? This is going to enable to talk to your data through ChatGPT, Claude Code, to run agents on your data in Rize, analyze it, approve time entries, review them. So it's super powerful. So how are you going to do this? So you go to Settings, go to Connectors, and I've already connected this one, so I'm actually going to remove this. Well, let me see. I'm going to disconnect, and I'm going to remove, and I'm going to add a fresh one. So it's going to be Add Custom Connector. I'm going to call it Rize, and then I'll add this to the description, but the URL is mcp.rize.io.mcp. Right now you have to add the client ID, so we're going to add this one, which is long, but it'll be in the description of the video. Then hit Add. All right, you'll see that Rize was added, custom. Now, if I want to hit Connect, it's going to take me into this view where I can authorize the MCP. So you can either enter your email and you'll get a magic link email, or I can do this with Gmail. I'm going to do it with Gmail. So do that. It's just going to have speak to confirm. Then it's going to open Claude Code, and if I look, the custom connection is there. So let's try it out. All right, so now let's give this a shot. All right, can you please use my Rize connector to show me what I worked on so far today? How it's thinking, da-da-da. So it's going to be loading the tools for Rize. Now, you're going to have to always authorize. It's going to pull up time entries for this specific task. So you can see it's going to break down exactly what I worked on so far today. It's going to show me all by client. Now, if I say break this down by project, it's going to be able to do this by client, by project, by task, by time entry. Can you show me any pending time entries, if there are any? Now, if I go to Rize, let's go to my calendar, I can see this is my day so far. So you can see the breakdown by client, by project here. And I'm going to generate some time entries to review. So, let me see. Can you check for pending time entries again, please? Now, let's review each time entry with the tag suggestions, please. Now, I'm doing this through the chat, but you could imagine setting up agents to do this. There's a whole bunch of options. You can analyze your data as well. So we'll do more videos following up with use cases here, but just wanted to walk through exactly how to get Rize connected. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for using Rize. We're really excited to get this out.